Welcome to the House That STEM Built, a regular series where we will explore the science, technology, engineering, and math that goes into the design and construction of this family home. This is the House That STEM Built.
In today's episode, we will be exploring the science behind the construction of kitchen cabinets, including the computer program CAD and CNC that help to make this possible. This idea is quite versatile and can be incorporated into the technology curriculum across different grade levels. Specifically, CAD and CNC fit nicely into the grade 4 to grade 9 curriculums in technology. Some examples of relevant curriculum outcomes include Grade 7, Computational Practice. Apply basic coding skills to solve problems. Grade 8, Computational Practice. Represent data visually using coding scripts. Grade 9, Computational Practice. Apply algorithmic functions in code to solve problems. Now, you may be wondering, what exactly is CAD and CNC, and how is all of this relevant? Well, let's dive right into it.
CAD stands for Computer Aided Design. This is a design software used to electronically assist with the design process. CAD software can create 2D and 3D models. Engineers can use computer-aided design to draft pictures of projects they want to build with accurate measurements and details. Today we'll explore how engineers could use CAD in the house that STEM built.
Several factors have played a role in the location of each cupboard and appliance in the kitchen in this home. The layout of the kitchen is something that much thought needs to be put into in the design process. Is the space easy to walk through and move around in? Is there enough storage space? Are the fridge, stove, and sink too close together? There are regulations and building standards that the designer will need to be mindful of, as well as aesthetics and functionality. In kitchen designs, having a final product that is visually appealing but also very functional is the goal. Each kitchen cupboard is something that has intricate details in it to ensure it fits into the space well visually and functionally. CAD can be used to design each individual cupboard that needs to be built. By now, we have a bit of a better understanding of how CAD works, but why is this relevant to our kitchen construction site? CAD software is the backbone of what helps turn these kitchen cabinets from a vision to the real thing. Using technologies that we mentioned previously, designers use CAD software to create blueprints detailing what their final product will look like in the end.
You may be wondering, how is all of this technology important? Now that we have seen how designers use computer-aided designs to create 2D and 3D blueprints of a house or kitchen, we can now take a closer look at how we can make these visions come to life. These blueprints can be seen as a set of instructions for the production of the physical product. People who work in the construction and manufacturing fields can understand these blueprints. They will know what cuts and holes to make on their own, and they will make these adjustments manually. However, there exists a technology that can reduce the need for workers to perform these repetitive tasks. Special machines, called computer numerical control machines, or simply CNC machines, use CAD software to program predetermined movements to physically produce the designs that the user created.
But how exactly does the machine know what to do? First, the user creates a 2D or 3D design using the CAD software, as we mentioned earlier in the video. Next, the design must be converted into information that the machine can understand. This is often referred to as code. This conversion is done using computer-aided manufacturing software. Finally, the computer numerical control machine reads the code to perform the operations required to create the physical product. There are many types of CNC machines, and many projects require the use of a variety of them to get the job done. Let's take a deeper look at the machines that work together to create the kitchen cabinets for this house. Here we can see the CNC router. This machine is responsible for cutting the wood that will form the sides and the doors of the cabinets. This router ensures consistent, high-precision cuts that will allow the cabinets to be put together perfectly. Let's take a look at other CNC machines that help complete the manufacturing of these kitchen cabinets. Here you can see the CNC drill in action. The machine gets equipped with carefully selected drill bits that create perfectly round holes in the wood. The CNC drill technology can drill holes in predetermined positions with great accuracy, conveniently allowing the holes on many separate pieces of the cabinet to line up perfectly with one another. As well, the CNC software is also crucial for dowel insertion within the construction of these kitchen cabinets. Dowels are what help give the cabinets a very professional and polished look by eliminating the need for any visible screws in the cabinet, as well as creating a stronger bond for the final product. The CNC dowel inserting software tells the machine where to place these dowels, and it does this job effortlessly and quickly. Finally, the beautiful edging that you see being constructed here is also thanks to the CNC software. The CNC edging machine works to produce clean sides on all of the cabinet doors that you see here. Now let's take some time to reflect on some things we have seen in the video and connect them to things you may see around you in your everyday life. Think about the cabinets and the layout of the kitchen in your house. What are some factors you think the designer of your home thought about when choosing the layout for your kitchen?
Want to try it out yourself? Let's draft a realistic kitchen that you could put in a home. Here's your task. In a CAD software or on paper, based on your teacher's preference, design a kitchen. Your kitchen should have everything in it to cook meals and store supplies. Think of where you'd want to put the oven, fridge, cabinets, and sink. Do you want to have a dishwasher, an island, or seating? It's all up to you. Many designers follow a triangle pattern when designing a kitchen to manage workflow. The 3 points of your triangle are the cooking space, that being your oven and stove, sink, and refrigerator. Try to keep an easy path between these 3 points. When cooking, you are commonly transporting food and dishes between all points of the triangle. Try to visualize what your kitchen would look like with people in it. With the doors open or closed, you should record each decision you make and present them along with your design. Your design is entirely up to you. Keep in mind that your kitchen should be both visually pleasing and functional. After making your design layout, consult with a partner and ask if they have suggestions about your design that you may not have thought about. Teamwork is a very important piece of a successful home design. Record these modifications and the reason for them as well.
Have you ever worked with machines like these in your schools? How could you apply this information to technology like a 3D printer?